How to create a Truth Social account. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to create it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can either go ahead and download the Truth Social application, or you can head over to their official website, which is Truth Social. This one right here. And go ahead and open it up. Now, once you open it up, this is our following site that we can open up. And there we go. And now if we want to go ahead and create an account, all we gotta do is look out for this option called create account and click on it. And we again start with the verification here and follow up the prompts. So first of all, it requires you to give your date of birth. So go ahead and provide it up, in which date you were born on, and click on next. Now on the next step, you need to provide in a phone number. So go ahead and provide in a phone number, and you need to agree to the terms and conditions and click on this next option. And there we go. Now on the next option, what we need to do is first of all provide in our username. So go ahead and provide it up and then create up a password for yourself. So go ahead and just create up a password here and provide in your email for support, account recovery, and marketing updates. Go ahead and do so and click on this option called next here. And there we go. Now account has been created. You can click on continue and you can start up your profile. For now, I'm just gonna skip it. And you can even follow up the profiles here and just go over and do so. Follow up your profile, for example, Trump. You just go over and do so. Click on follow, click on next. And you can even join group and click on finish. And when you do, there you go. Now you can just go over and browse to your application or the website right here, and that's it. And that is it, everybody. This is how you create your account. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.